Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram messages at once in just few simple steps. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then tap messages icon over here, then tap three lines, then mark all messages like that, then hit delete. And like that you can delete all Instagram messages at once, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.